Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an iPad or iPhone user eager to enhance your creativity and productivity in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the best whiteboard apps for iOS devices that can turn your screen into a dynamic canvas for notes, sketches, and collaboration. Let's jump right in. First on our list is GoodNotes. This app is a game changer for students and professionals alike, offering seamless handwriting recognition, PDF annotations, and easy organization. You can search your handwritten notes instantly. Imagine never losing an idea again. It's intuitive and works flawlessly with the Apple Pencil, making it perfect for on-the-go note-taking. Next up is Notability, which excels in multimedia integration. Record audio during lectures or meetings and have it sync directly with your notes. The audio playback feature highlights your writings as you listen, boosting your review efficiency. It's especially great for auditory learners and comes with a clean, distraction-free interface. Don't overlook Apple's own Freeform app. With its infinite canvas, you can brainstorm ideas endlessly and collaborate in real time with others. It's deeply integrated with iOS, so sharing and editing feels effortless, a must-have for team projects. For business pros, Microsoft Whiteboard is unbeatable. It supports cross-device collaboration, allowing you to draw, type, and ink with colleagues worldwide. Plus, it's free and integrates with Microsoft 365 for enhanced productivity. Last but not least, Concepts is ideal for artists and designers. This app uses vector-based drawing for precise, scalable artwork, with layers and advanced tools that rival professional software. It's versatile for everything from quick sketches to detailed designs. When picking the best app, think about your main use. GoodNotes for personal notes, Notability for audio features, Freeform for collaboration, Microsoft Whiteboard for teams, or Concepts for creative work. Give them a try and see which one fits your workflow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. What's your go-to whiteboard app? Let us know in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.